viewers, welcome to V Academy. Please subscribe our channel for more educational updates. Today, let us know about the introduction of vaccine and how does vaccine works. What is a vaccine? A vaccine is a biological preparation that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. And a vaccine basically consists of inactive or killed pathogens which are introduced into a healthy individual. And now let us know when this vaccine was discovered. In the 18th century, people were suffering from diseases like chickenpox and cowpox. At that time, Sir Edward Jenner noticed that a person once infected with cowpox developed immunity to chickenpox also. So, he introduced a vaccine into a 13-year-old boy. That vaccine is cowpox vaccine, and later the boy developed immunity to chickenpox also. So, later the boy developed immunity to chickenpox also due to the cowpox vaccine. And for this reason, Edward Jenner is considered as the founder of vaccination, and the smallpox vaccine is the first vaccine used in the world. Okay, now let us understand what is vaccination. The introduction of vaccine into the body to develop immunity against a specific disease is called as vaccination. And the vaccine is injected into the body by two methods. First one is through injection, for example COVID vaccine, and second one is through oral method, that is through mouth, example polio vaccine. Now let us see how vaccine works. I already said that the vaccine consists of inactivated or killed pathogens. These pathogens consist of surface proteins. Here in the picture we can clearly see the surface or foreign antigens, and these inactive particles with surface proteins are introduced into a person through intramuscular injection. And after injecting, these particles enter into the bloodstream. And the foreign antigens, after entering into the blood, they meet with several immune system cells such as macrophages, T lymphocytes or T cells, B lymphocytes or B cells, etc. And the major mechanism of action include macrophages phagocytosing the foreign antigens and breaking it into smaller particles. And these smaller particles of the foreign antigens are exhibited by macrophages on the surface of the macrophages. And the T cells present in the bloodstream bind with foreign antigens exhibited by macrophages. This mechanism activates T cells. This T cell and the activated T cell proliferates into three types of T cells. They are cytotoxic T cell, suppressor T cell, helper T cell. And the helper T cell further activates the B lymphocyte or B cell. Now let us know about B cells or B lymphocytes. Foreign antigens are internalized by B cells through the surface receptors present on them. After the internalization, the B cell exhibits foreign antigens on its surface. When activated helper T cells interact with B cells, they begin expressing interleukins or such as lymphokines, which has several effects. Now, due to the effect of interleukins, the activated B cell proliferates into plasma cells and memory cells. The plasma cells produce antibodies that are specific to the antigens present in the vaccine, and memory cells help in the future response when expressed to the same antigens. So, the function of plasma cells is to release antibodies, and the function of the memory B cells is to memorize the same antigens. So, when the same antigens are expressed again, the memory B cells will produce the immune response. And in future, If a person who is already vaccinated is infected by the same pathogen, he can produce the T and B lymphocytes to eliminate the foreign antigen. This is how vaccination or immunization works in our body. So during this COVID pandemic, I hope you all will be vaccinated. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel V Academy. Thank you.